Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft XPS document writer not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and then go to turn Windows features on or off. Now, there is an option here which reads Microsoft XPS Document Viewer. You have to select this one and then click on OK. So I'll explain the problem before we apply these changes. Actually, this option is not selected by default. So if you are trying to use the XPS viewer, it will not work. That is the default setting for it. But you have to enable this, and after that, you have to click on Restart Now to apply the changes. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.